Right, a little tip I found out. This is a waste pipe fitting. These screws here are supposed to be done up by hand, but they always stick, always. Try and get mole grips on it, you're going to knacker it. Try and hit it round with a hammer and like a screwdriver, knackered as well. This is what I use. This is an oil filter wrench. It's supposed to be used on cars, but I've worked out it's actually not bad. They're getting these buggers off either. So what you do, tighten it on. You can see I'm doing that, it threads through. And then what we can do with that, oh, is bloody hang on it. Hang on. Oh, yeah, it's going. It's going. There we go. So basically, as soon as you push tension on it, it undoes. There we go. I think it's moving now. It's moving. Yeah, here we go. Gone. Done. Off it comes. Awesome bit of kit. Also works on cars. Thanks for watching.